Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today let's break down a skincare hot topic. So we have vitamin C versus retinol. You probably have heard of both, but they do totally different things.
Vitamin C is your go-to in the morning. It brightens your skin, even out skin tone, and gives you that fresh, awake look. It's also an antioxidant, which basically means it helps shed your skin from things like pollution, UV ray, and general life stress. Retinol works best at night. It speeds up cell turnover, meaning it helps smooth out fine lines, shrinks breakout, and refine texture while you sleep.
So here are some of the myths and fun facts. So myth number 1, you cannot use vitamin C and retinol together. Reality is you totally can. You use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. So there's no conflict, there's no drama. So myth number 2, retinol must cause peeling. But that's totally not true. Peeling means your skin is adjusting, but smoother results don't always require a visible skin shed.
So vitamin C, it boosts sunscreen performance. Vitamin C doesn't just brighten it, it enhances UV protection when layered under sunscreen, neutralizing free radicals and reducing photo damage. Retinol was originally used to treat acne in the 70s. Retinol's skincare frame started with acne, not anti-aging. Its ability to unclog pores and reduce inflammation made it a game changer long before it became wrinkle fighter.
So the question is when and how to use it.
I mix the vitamin C powder with my moisturizer. And apply it on my face. Mix a small amount of retinol with my moisturizer and apply it on my face.
So a quick takeaway, if you want that glow and tone correction, you go for vitamin C. So you're battling with like fine lines, acne, and like texture, then you definitely use retinol. So you want both benefit. You want the glow and you want to fix your fine lines and your acne. You simply use both, but keep them separately. So always remember, vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. Keep them separately and you're in good hands. So both ingredients bring serious benefit to the table. So once again, thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.